And you can't help but talk to people. Somebody would know where she's at.
A Valley mom is looking for her missing daughter. Angelina Resendez is in the Navy. She was last seen in Virginia. Here's Stephanie Rosales.
Esmeralda Castle is looking for answers.
I'm hoping to find her. I'm hoping for action.
Her 21-year-old daughter, Angelina Resendez from Brownsville, is a culinary specialist with the Navy. She's lived at the Naval Station in Norfolk, Virginia for more than a year. She hasn't been seen since May 29th. The Naval Criminal Investigative Service, or NCIS, is in charge of the investigation. But Castle feels they aren't being transparent.
I know an investigation is being done, but that doesn't mean that someone's actively, or the Navy base is actively looking for her.
She says her daughter was with someone else from the station on the day she went missing.
Do you know who that person is, their relationship?
I do not know. I do not know who that person is.
Channel 5 News also reached out to NCIS with several questions. They responded that they will not comment on ongoing investigations. Castle says it's unusual for Angelina to not talk with her family. She says she would reach out to her aunt on social media every day. That contact stopped the day she was last seen.
No one's heard from her. My mother hasn't heard from her, her brother, her sister. She hasn't heard from her. None of her friends have heard from her.
Last week, Virginia State Police issued a critically missing adult alert for Resendez, saying her disappearance poses a credible threat to her health and safety. Castle recently went to visit Virginia to look for her daughter and get more answers. She's planning another trip soon to continue searching for her daughter.
I think that I have some support where people will help me go out there and, hold up some signs and make sure that they know this person is a real person. She's a human being.
Stephanie Rosales, Channel 5 News at 6.
You can find contact information for investigators on our website, krgv.com. If you know anything, please call.